So, I had to give a cat some sweets. Isn't the right, big boy? Alright. There we go. Hold on. God darn it. Luke, come on. There we go. Come on, chill. Jesus. I can tell you're excited, huh, big boy? By the way, yeah, he was outside and you can kind of see the water in his food. He's soaking wet. Sorry, big boy. And careful. Just to show you how wet he is. Let's do this. I know. You see how all that is water. Yep, look at that. That point right there is completely drenched. The point which I'm rubbing my finger at. Now listen to this. My God. Chill out. Oh my God. Holy shit. Are you serious? My God, I don't think I'll be going out there because because I basically had to yell for you to hear me. My God, I'm not gonna scream at the top of my lungs. Yeah. Look at that, pouring down rain, literally. My God. Sorry, big boy. Thought you were in. I said thought you was in. Of course, those damn shoes would be a size too small. Of course. Yeah, 8.5, as you can tell. Got small feet. Come on with these ads. Jesus. It's okay, big boy. Get off of the fucking stove now. Will ya? Thank you. Jesus, he came in at the right time, because holy shit. Damn. And that was the clock here. So yeah, exactly 7:30 p.m. now. Well, obviously it's p.m. because if it was a.m. it'd be a lot lighter out then. Plus I don't wake up at that time unless I had to work. So yeah, isn't right, big boy? He's rubbing his face against the lens of the camera. Sorry about that. Shit. Come on. There you go. What the hell? Oh, that's the vein. You know what that noise was? That little crashing sound effect. You know what I mean. You can clearly tell it's calmed down a lot, so that's good. My God. A few minutes ago, it was just absolutely ridiculous out there, as you probably could have heard. Isn't right, Boot Bat? Really? Sorry about that. There you go. Easy. Careful. That's gonna fall off there. My god. Anyway, I'm actually gonna end it here because, running low on battery power on the camera here, and I do not want the battery to die on me, especially when I'm recording. So, that's gonna be it for now.